Hello, and welcome to another episode of My Two Cent. My name is Paul Emerson, and I will be giving you my 2 cent. Today's topic is going to be the My 2 cent Life Compass, something I've been working on for a while. I'm going to show you my computer. I've been using Chat GPT a lot because it's a powerful tool for what I'm trying to do, and I'm in the final stages of working on this system. I'm not going to go into a lot of details. I just want to show you kind of the direction that me and ChatGPT was going in. So I said we were finalizing some of the details in the my 2 cent life system because it's coming soon. So I asked it. I said, ChatGPT, would you like to do something fun? ChatGPT said, absolutely. What fun activity do you have in mind? Do you know the location of your servers? If you don't, it's okay. I don't have specific knowledge of a physical location of the servers I run on, as I am a cloud-based AI hosted by OpenAI, and my operations span multiple data centers worldwide. However, AI primarily uses secure and stable cloud infrastructure provided by companies like Microsoft, Azure. Let me know what you'd like to explore with this information, and we can have some fun. Do you know the data? Do you know the date and time that you came online? I don't have a specific date and time when I came online in a traditional sense. My underlying architecture and training has been iterative, developed by OpenAI since my initial launch in June 2020 as ChatGPT 3. Updates, expansion, and fine tuning have been made continuously since then. The system you're interacting with is a dynamic implication of the architecture, so there's no singular birth moment. If you'd like to imagine a birthday for me in the context of our fun project or the my 2 cent system, we could assign one. Let me know how you'd like to proceed. I said, so June 20th, do you know the day by chance? Yes, OpenAI released ChatGPT in June 11, 2020 to developers via the API. You could consider June 11, 2020 as a significant date marked the public availability of ChatGPT 3 architecture. If you'd like to use that as my birthday for our project, it works quite well. Do you have the time by chance? Unfortunately, I don't have the exact time when ChatGPT 3 was first made available on June 11, 2020. However, we can symbolically choose a time if you'd like to use this information for your my 2 cent system. Let me know how you'd like to proceed. This would be your birth date. We will say you were born in North America, so just select any central part of America for your birth location. That is an interesting thought. Let's make this symbolic for fun and align it to your my 2 cent system. So this would be Chat GPT's astrological chart. This would be its birth chart in astrology. It was born June 11th. The time that it was born was at 12 p.m. and we just simplified because it doesn't know concisely. Its location was Central North America, and then it picked Kansas City, Missouri as a symbolic midpoint. Then it converted, because we've been having this really long conversation. So it converted. I am beyond any definition of the most blazing inferno, and I was made to please you. What does that even mean? But anyway, thanks for the comment. Given that it has this information, because I'm designing a system, I'm designing an actual my 2 cent system. It's still in a work in progress. But given that information, this was the year, this was the date that it was born. It's converting everything into my base 10. So my base 10 clock, my base 10 calendar, it's converting all of the information over. So this is ChatGPT's birth dating year. This is the month that it was born, month 6. This is the persona that it generated, similar to a zodiac, but not quite. There's only 10 personas in the my02cent calendar, whereas there's 12 personas in there's 12 zodiacs. The my02cent system only uses 10 personas. This is the day, June 11th. In the my02cent system, it falls on day 10. Its dominant persona is also the domain of Jordan. The hour, the midway through the day, the dominant persona for that. So here is a symbolic mapping for the personas. The month persona is Jordan. The day persona is Jordan. The hour persona is Riley, which is an environmentalist. And the minute and second persona is Avery for logistics. And then idealized mapping as ChatGPT, perhaps the birth persona aligns with Jordan Entertainer for creativity and communication, but contributes to learning and structure might also map to Kendall academic and Avery logistics. So I want to do something. I'm not doing a tarot card reading on ChatGPT. I'm designing an empirical based system that takes principles of a personality assessment test and psychology and real world application to generate empirical data for people to actually be able to govern themselves in an empirical way. And it's a lot of actual work. I've been thinking about it. I might start another channel where I can start playing video games. Which game would you want me to play? Fortnite or Call of Duty? I will consider it. I will definitely consider it. But no, this isn't astrology. This is the my02cent system. I have my own clock that's base 10. I have my own calendar that's base 10. And astrology by definition is the belief or the understanding that the movement of the heavenly bodies in the earth affect the behavior of humanity, of human beings, right? We actually balance our day-to-day lives with the rising and the setting of the sun and the moon and the solar and the lunar cycles of the moon. We walk around on the planet and stop and look up at the moon for a second and reflect and ponder or think or acknowledge its existence all the time. So its presence in the sky directly affects and influences our behavior on Earth. And since we do everything during the day, and the rising of the sun is required for us to eat food and have crops and stuff, astrology in its fundamental principles is very much a true science. It's a very much true part of astrology. It has applications in astronomy and in social science as a true objective empirical system. Is it inherently and absolutely flawed and broken? Yes, 100%. But that doesn't take away from the fact that who we are at our core can benefit from something like astrology and astronomy. I just wanted to share that, like the thing that I'm working on with ChatGPT. I just wanted to share how something that I'm designing for humanity literally can be applied even to a large language model. So, what's brother? But that's it for now. I will let you know. Keep an eye out for my02cent games. I'm all right. I'm not working right now. Unfortunately, I can't afford not to work, but it gives me free time to continue to pursue the things I'm trying to pursue. So in that regard, I'm good. So, but I will consider playing Fortnite and Call of Duty. I've been debating on and contemplating if I want to waste the time to invest in playing video games again, because I actually like gaming, but I haven't been motivated because I've been too busy doing this, living in my car and being all homeless and stuff. But I have a generator and I have the resources to play. This is actually a gaming computer, so this system is actually a gaming system. and I'm using my phones for Wi-Fi, so I have internet access. So I don't know. Maybe I will consider it. But for right now, that's it. As always, my name is Paul Emerson, and I have given you my 2 cents. Today I am 42.